A lone harp sings of a fateful day, where warriors tread on the tear-stained sod, and dreams were lost in the name of God. Under moonlight's cold and silver gaze, old stones recall the ancient ways. While banshees cry on the midnight wind, tells of souls that wander, never name of God. Under moonlight's cold and silver gaze, old stones recall the ancient ways. While banshees cry on the midnight wind, tells of souls that wander, never to mend. Tales beguiled, the voices of the past still cry in the whispering glen where heroes lie. The blacksmiths forge a distant spark, echoes faint in a land so stark. The riders pass in the dead of night, with secrets held and swords drawn tight. Maidens weep by candles glow, tales of love in the heart's warm flow. Cottage wall with whispers of battles and kingdoms fall. Oh, Aaron's hill so green and wild, the legends weep and tales beguiled. The voices of the past still cry in the whispering glen where heroes lie. In the whispering glen where shadows play, a lone heart sings of a fateful day, where warriors tread on the tear-stained sod, and dreams were lost in the name of God. Under moonlight's cold and silver